I hope chapter 1 is interesting and quite easy for you. Also, you have done a lot more quiz problems. Okay, let us cover the topics. Today's session is introduction on real numbers, then rational numbers, denseness property. I'll tell you about the dense, what is dense, irrational number, decimal representations, period of decimals, conversion of decimals into rational number. I have denoted Q to be rational number, and some solved the problem on exercises. Okay, let us go for beginning stage, that is introduction on real numbers. What real number it says is, first we know the natural number. It is denoted as n, capital N, like this. So natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and then whole number, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. and so on. Only 0 is included, and integers. Okay, so this is natural number, natural numbers. So I am denoting these to be numbers as natural number, whole number, and this is set of all integers, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are called integers. Then like these numbers we say 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 10. All these numbers are rational numbers. We call it rationals. Okay, rationals. In general form, in general we can say this a by b such that b is not equal to 0, b is non-zero, and a comma b belongs to integers. Okay, so a upon b is the structure formula for given q. Q has a rationals, and a upon b, b should not 0, and a and b are taken from integers, all these integers. Okay, integers numbers. So in integer also we have three parts. One is non-negative and other two is positive and negative. Okay, so we shall see the deep manner here. Okay, let us start over. I call this circle natural number, and it goes 1, 2, 3 and so on, and this one is whole number. Okay, it is denoted as, but only 0 is included. Only 0 alone, including with natural numbers, is a whole number. Okay, the set along with 0 and containing those natural numbers is a whole number. Next, so set of all integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 etc. and so on, along with this and containing the whole number is an integer. Okay, integer is represented as z. Got it? Now next, I call this set to be q. Okay, and q is of the form like this, p by q, comma q not equal to 0, and p comma q belongs to integers. It is denoted in this way. Okay, either you can write a upon b or p upon q, both are same. And the next one is an irrational number. Call it q complement or q dash. Okay, likewise you have seen the complement, the same thing it is going to happen here. This is rational, and this symbol is for irrational number. It doesn't have any form, but it can be represented as recurring, non-recurring and non-terminating. Okay, it is oftenly called as non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. These are all decimal forms. Okay, decimals are called as irrational number. And the whole set, if I denote, if the set contains all these set, it is called as real numbers. In short, real number is nothing but union of q and q dash. Okay, so union of q and q dash. So this is real number in fact. Okay, so if I consider q union q dash, all the non-repeating and non-terminating numbers which are not present in rational numbers, that also includes in irrational numbers, right? And those numbers which are not rationals are called irrational numbers. That too we have here. In rational number, irrational number we can't find, and in irrational number we cannot say there is a rational number. Okay, so in rational number, if we say whole number, natural number and integer, it all are containing sets under rational numbers. So clearly, if we mention rational number, all the integers will come up. Okay, so like -1, -2, we can say like -2 upon 2 is, it is going to be -1, right? So these are all integers. In fact, that is rational numbers. Got it? So this is a overview of having real numbers, structure of real numbers. In fact, this look like a solar system, right? So in solar system we have Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and likewise we have natural number, whole number, integer, rational and irrational, and those two union, whose union becomes real numbers. Okay, so this we call as number system. Likewise we denote for solar system, we call it number system here. Let us go deep manner in rational and irrational numbers, because these are all very much important in your higher studies. Okay, here rational number, it is denoted as q, capital Q, and it has certain form. So form is q is equal to set of all ratios of a upon b such that b should be non-zero. Okay, and a comma b belongs to integers. Okay, so example 1/2, 1/3, -5/6, etc. These are all the forms. Okay, and decimal expansion will be either one of these way. Okay, decimal expansion is either one of, we can also say rational number in terms of decimal expansion too, apart from this form. So it may be either this or that form only. Okay, not both the form at the same time. So either this or that. So either here we mean it is terminating. Terminating means we stop at certain stage, the number will stop. Okay, there itself. For example, see 1/2, I call it 1 divided by 2. So we don't have any carry number to divide here. So I'm just denoting 0 point. So 10 to 5 times 10. So remainder carries 0 here. So 0.5. It stops there itself, right? So for this we call it decimal expansion terminating number. Okay, decimal expansion terminating rational number. Okay, so 0.5. After decimals it stops or truncate. Okay, or here we say non-terminating and recurring. Non-terminating means it goes on, it doesn't stops, and recurring. Recurring means repeating. Okay, so terminating, note the word terminating, means stops at certain stage, stops at certain stage. Recurring. Non means it is opposite to that, non-stop. That means it won't stop. Okay, so terminating, recurring. Recurring, we mean that repeating. Okay, repeating decimals. Note these things. Okay, so non-terminating and recurring. For example, let us take 1/3. So 1/3, there is no carrying for reminders, so that's why 0.10. So 3 times 9, again 1 already, there's a decimal point, so 0. Okay, so 3 times 9, again 10, 9, 3, again 10, 3, 9, again it goes on like this. Okay, it won't stop, it goes on like this. Okay, also note that this is a one number which repeats all the time. Okay, so here, only one number which repeats all the time. So we call this and we denote this as bar. Okay, so 0.3 bar. Bar in this for bar we mean that it is repeating. Okay, so and we call it period of decimals. Period of decimals. We will study this later more about that. Okay, so in this we have a period 3. Period is 3 because it repeats. Every time it repeats. Okay, right. Next. Okay, let us go to the exercise 2.1. So here first question is, which arrow best shows the position of 11 by 3 on the number line? So here's a number line. I have denoted -4 to +4, and there's some point which denote A, some point B, C and D. Okay, so where exactly 11 upon 3 is a position on the number line? Okay, let us divide first 11 upon 3 as we know. So 3 times 9, so remainder 2, which is not going to divide. So point, if you keep a decimal point here, 0 raise up. So 3 6 times 18, again 2, already decimal point is there. So 3 6 times 18, it repeats. Has we say that rational number has two forms, either in repeating, non-repeating, non-terminating and repeating process. Apart from that, repeating process. Okay, terminating process. Okay, so 3.66 and so on, we got the 11 upon 3. Okay, so 3.66 and so on. So it is almost approximately equals to 3.7, because we round off the number, those numbers, if it is equal to 5 or more than 5. Okay, we round off those kind of numbers. Okay, when it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we round off this. Clearly this decimal number 6, we have a 6 here. This is greater than 5, more than 5, so we can round off to one number. Okay, so that is 7. So approximately it is equal to 3.7. So 3.7 is nearest to 4, so that we have to select the last part of the position on the number line. Okay, so which is D. So D is the best position. We call it D is the best position of 11 upon 3 to show on real line R. Okay, so we call it real line or number line. Both are same. Okay, so this is how the problem goes.